everyone, Mrs. Monero here. Today I want to talk to you about Chromebook shortcuts and how you can use them to be more effective and efficient on your device. Let's go check them out. Chromebook keyboard shortcuts are time-saving key combos you can use to launch specific commands. Did you know you can do split screen on your Chromebook? Use Alt plus left bracket to dock the window to the left. Use Alt plus right bracket to dock a window to the right. You can zoom in by doing Control plus and zoom out doing Control minus, and reset your zoom with Control plus 0. Take screenshots by using Control plus the Windows button. If you only want selected area screenshot, use Control plus Shift plus Windows button. There are times you might need caps lock on. Use Alt plus Search to turn on caps lock. Repeat the same command to turn off caps lock. If you ever need to walk away from your device, you will want to lock your screen. Click Search plus L. Open a new tab with Control plus T. If you ever accidentally close out of a tab, hit Control plus Shift plus T to reopen it. To toggle between different tabs, use Control plus 1 through 8 to open the specific tabs. Control plus C is copy. Control plus V is paste. Undo is Control plus Z, and redo is Control plus Y. These are just 15 of the many shortcuts available. Hit Control plus Alt plus / to show all keyboard shortcuts.